This ground-level building once housed indoor tennis courts. It's getting a total redo inside and out and being transformed into easy-access dedicated event space, complete with in-ground electrical hookups and handy storage. It can accommodate anything from large trucks to 200 10 by 10 foot exhibition booths, and it will connect seamlessly to the rest of our 163,000 feet of event space.
This building is connected to our current event center, and you'll have an easy access to our meeting space. We'll be putting in escalators. We already have elevator and a set of stairs as well. So whether you're having a conference for 1,000 people and you have 200 vendors in this room, you'll be able to have easy access between the meeting space and our exhibition hall.
This is going to give you a lot more flexibility and capability, isn't it?
Not only is it going to be great for the companies that have a large number of exhibitors, but this room is going to be used for multiple purposes. So whether you have a large gymnastics event or cheerleading competition, or you have large vehicles that would need to be on display, we have that ability in this room. It has over 30,000 square feet, and there'll be a lot of opportunities for groups to use this new space.
Contact our group sales department to learn more at 866-706-4354 or visit online at frenchlick.com/conferences.